Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to change data types in Power Query. So let's start. This is my Excel sheet with the sample data. So here you need to convert this data into table to load into the Power Query. So simply select the inside the cell and you can press here the Control T, convert this data into table. Here you can see the create table dialog box is open. Click on OK and data is in table. After that, go to the data tab. In get and transform data, click on the get data option. Then click on the from other sources. Then click on the from table or range. And here you can see the Power Query editors will open. Okay. So this is your data. So to change the data type, I select here the joining date column. In joining date column, you can see the date and time format also showing. So here I want only the date. For that, simply select the column joining date. Then go to the Home tab. In Transform Group in Data Type option, just click on this drop down arrow and I select here the date and here see. And here change column type, just click on the replace current and here you can see only the date here showing. Okay. And for salary, I just select the salary column, same as go to the Home tab. In Transform Group, click on the data type and here I select the whole number. So decimal will remove, whole number is showing. Just click on the replaced and here you can see the decimal is removed. Okay, so this is the way you can change here the data type. Just there are so many options to change date and time. If you want here the date and time in this data, again you go to the data tab and click on the date and time. See the changes over here. Date and time format is added. Okay, so this is the way you can change here the different types of data. Okay, after that, just go to the Home tab and click on the Close and Load. It will load in Excel sheet. So this is a way you can change the data types in Power Query in Excel. So that's it. Hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank